Hey, want to make money with AI? From chatbots to machine learning, AI is revolutionizing many industries. But did you know you can also use AI tools to earn a side income or even start a new career? In this story, we'll explore 10 ways to make money with AI. Even if you're not a programming expert, subscribe for more exciting content, and let's get started on leveraging AI tools to boost your earning potential. Number 10. Create video scripts for content creators. Content creators need video scripts, and you can make money by helping them with their content. AI tools make the process easy. Use ChatGPT for basic scripts, or Jasper AI or WriteSonic for more advanced ones. Video scripts can be for sales, YouTube, businesses, explainer videos, digital courses, webinars, and more. Charge what you want, but video script creators on Fiverr start at $5. With AI, you can write faster and make more money. Number 9. Become an SEO consultant. You can make money as an SEO consultant by helping bloggers rank higher in search results. Even without experience, you can use AI tools like SEO, AI to do keyword research, create SEO-optimized content, and improve on page SEO for your client. With the ability to help bloggers increase their online visibility and generate more revenue, you can earn a good income as an SEO consultant. Number 8. Create business name ideas. You can use ChatGPT to generate unique and catchy business name ideas for naming force contests and make money. Simply input generate name ideas for a business specifications into ChatGPT and receive business name ideas for a specific business. The best business names are short, unique, and memorable. Submit your name ideas to naming force contests to win cash prizes. Number 7. Create YouTube videos. YouTube is the world's second most visited website after Google. With AI tools like Synthesia, you can create videos without showing your face or spending on expensive equipment. To get started, choose a niche and create a YouTube channel. Use ChatGPT for video ideas and Synthesia for video creation with avatars, templates, and royalty-free music. Use TubeBuddy to optimize your channel and videos. Monetize your audience through ads, affiliate products, or selling products. YouTube provides an excellent opportunity to generate passive income. Number 6. Create ads with AI for other businesses. Ad Creative AI is a platform that allows you to create ads for businesses using artificial intelligence. You can create ads for Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Pinterest without any design skills. With Ad Creative AI, you can generate hundreds of creatives in seconds and render different versions and sizes to match all marketing channels. Additionally, the AI writing tool helps you to write sales copy such as text and headlines. Creating ads for other businesses is a lucrative way of making money online, and Ad Creative AI makes it easier to take on more clients and make more money. Number 5. Selling AI-generated art. Make money selling AI-generated art without being a graphic designer with Prompt Base. It's a marketplace for dull EGTP3, Stable Diffusion, and Midjourney prompts. A prompt is a set of instructions given to an AI to create images, and the more detailed the prompt, the better the art will become. You can create and sell these prompts on the platform, keeping 80% of the revenue. Prices start at $1.99. Sign up on Prompt Base to get started with digital art and start selling your prompts to make money. Number 4. Start freelance writing. Freelance writing is an excellent online side hustle that can earn you from $20 to hundreds of dollars per content piece. With AI tools like Copysmith, you can speed up the writing process and overcome writer's block. Copysmith can help you create website content, email newsletters, social media content, advertisements, SEO articles, and product descriptions faster. You can sign up for marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, iWriter, or Freelancer.com to start your freelance writing career and make more money as you gain experience. Number 3. Create and sell logos. You can profit from the high demand for eye-catching logos by using AI to create and sell them. With Logo AI, you can create professional-looking logos without any graphic design experience. To make money, join marketplaces like Fiverr or 48 Hours Logo and offer logo design services. Offer add-ons such as social media content to increase sales. Logo AI allows you to create logos, business cards, posters or flyers, and social media graphics. Creating logos has never been easier, so take advantage of this opportunity. Number 2. Write sales copy for other businesses. AI writers like Copy AI and Jasper AI can generate high-converting sales copy for businesses in minutes. To get started with copywriting, find small businesses in your area, pitch your service, and use AI tools to create customized copy for their website, ads, and content. With AI, anyone can create valuable sales copy and make money with copywriting. Number 1. Sell digital courses teaching AI. Earn money with AI tools by creating and selling digital courses on Teachable. Select your niche, create valuable course content using AI tools for tasks like content creation and video editing, and promote your course on social media. Price your course based on its value and similar courses in your niche. Teaching AI skills can help you generate passive income while helping your audience learn and grow. So that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to get all the latest updates.